Welcome to the channel. This is the third video in series of Moodle creation. Here we will have information on what is block, how to create a block, how to configure a block. This is user dashboard. Block contain features that loads in left, right or center of course homepage. In this tutorial we will see how to add, or remove or edit a block. To add a block, click on Customize this page button on top right of page. Now you will see some changes in page, like Add Block option added on lower left of page. Also few icons are added to every block on page. By clicking and holding left mouse button on first icon, user can move block anywhere. Second button is called as Actions menu, which gives various options like Configure block, Set permission to block, Hide block. Now click on Add a block button, which will open pop-up menu. Here you will see different predefined blocks that can be added to. For example, let's create HTML block. Now you will see that new block appears on right column of dashboard. Let's edit block by clicking Configure option in Action menu. At first, type the name of block that you want to display on page. Type required information in content box. This information will be visible in block queue created on dashboard.
Here you can manually set position on block on dashboard and other pages by adding weight and region. Note that region will decide whether the block will appear on right column or content column. And weight will decide position of block on respective column. -10 weight means block will appears on topmost position and +10 means block will appear on lowest position. Now you can see that new block with content appeared on content column. Now let's see how to delete block. Click on Action menu of block you want to delete. Then click on last option of delete block. The block will be deleted. You can add same block again by clicking Add block button. Once you have done configuring block, click Stop customizing the page button on top right to return to normal dashboard.